Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by picking the browser you already have: Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. Once chosen, press the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+Shift+N on Windows or CMD+Shift+N on Mac. This opens an Incognito window right away. You do this because private mode isolates history and cookies from your regular session. Make sure to close sensitive tabs first. That prevents accidental cross-session data. If the shortcut fails, use the browser menu, New Incognito or Private Window, and proceed. Once the window is open, you treat it like a disposable workspace. Log into the accounts you need and avoid saving passwords unless you explicitly allow it. You do this because Incognito stops local storage and cookies from persisting after you close all windows, which reduces tracking on the device. Make sure to check extension settings. Many are off by default, so enable only trusted extensions when essential. Also, use separate tabs for separate tasks to limit cross-site data sharing. When you finish, close every Incognito window. That action clears cookies, site data, and session history from that session. Then reopen a normal browser window to verify. Your regular history, tabs, and cookies should be unchanged. That confirms isolation worked. If a site still shows you logged in, make sure you closed every private window, clear the browser cache, and check for enabled extensions that might retain data. If problems persist, restart the browser. That typically resolves lingering session artifacts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.